Step into the Kia 2020 Forte LXS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock-in dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.